To Paramapujya Ganapati Sachidananda Swamiji and Shri Datta Vijayananda Tirtha Swamiji. This year, on this auspicious Dattatreya Jayanti occasion, Dattapeetham is conducting the 12th edition of Jnanabha Yoga Sammelana, the pioneering program instituted by Puja Swamiji to disseminate knowledge about the uniqueness and convergence of various pantheons of our society, namely Jnana, Nada, Bhakti, and Yoga. This year we are having some scholars presenting about various themes. Today we will start this year's conference with the topic Nada. We have Dr. Rani Sadashiva Murthy Garu from Tirupati to speak on this subject. I respectfully request him to occupy the seat. Rani Sadashiva Murthy Garu. I also request Shri Jayaraman from Chennai. He is the executive trustee of SGS Trust and a protagonist of music related activities. And we also have Dr. P.V. Phanishri, part of Swamiji's Music Therapy Center. And I also request him to come and occupy the seat. Please be seated. Now it's my privilege to introduce Professor Rani Sadashiva Murthy Garu. He has great lineage. The scholars Rani are said to be one of the famous names, surnames in coastal Andhra Pradesh. They all hail from a place called Modekurru, Narendrapuram in East Godavari district. His father, Rani Sadashiva Shastri, was a great thinker. He has written more than 100 books on various subjects. If you want to know the meaning of a polemic, he is one among them. Polemic is a person, he is not confined to one branch of knowledge. He has spread across many branches. And continuing the same lineage, Professor Murthy is an accomplished literature scholar, and he has done extensive search and research on Vedangas, for which he is very well known. Currently, he is serving as the Associate Professor in Rashtriya Samskrita Vidyapeetham, the deemed university of central government in Tirupati. And today he will be speaking on the subject Sangeeta Ratnakara. The practical aspect of music is well known to each and everyone. It does not need any introduction. Without an introduction, if you hear a tune, your mind will get attuned to this and it gets acquainted with that. But there is much more science behind those practical renditions. What is it? What is a treatise that supports the practical rendition? Musicology is the aspect of knowledge which deals with such aspects. For musicology, Sangeeta Ratnakara is the bedrock on this day. Sarangadeva is a great scholar and he was a musician and musicologist himself. He has taken the essence from many branches of literature, Veda Vangmaya, Vedic literature, and has compiled this great book called Sangeeta Ratnakara. On this day, we are very happy to hear Professor Sadashiva Murthy Garu, who will be speaking on this subject, Sangeeta Ratnakara. He will be speaking in English, and we will give the synopsis in Telugu in the latter part of the event. Jai Guru Datta, over to Professor Murthy.
अन्तरायतिमिरोपशान्तये शान्तपावनमचिन्त्य वैभवं तं नरं वपुषि कुञ्जरं मुखे मन्महे किमपि तुन्दिलं महः मन्महे किमपि तुन्दिलं महः. वन्दे नादमयीं देवीं नादरूपं महेश्वरं नादोपासनमार्गस्थः नादतत्त्वार्थसिद्धये. वन्दे नादमयीं देवीं नादरूपं महेश्वरं नादोपासनमार्गस्थः नादतत्त्वार्थसिद्धये नादतत्त्वार्थसिद्धये. Sabha Saraswati Namaha. At the outset, I offer my humble salutations to Sri Ganapati Satchidananda Swami Varu and also Vijayendra Swami Varu, Sri Datta Vijayananda Tirtha Swami Varu. And further, I proceed to express my deep sense of gratitude to our Bhratrakalpaha, to our brother, Sri Vansi Krishna Ghanapati. And now, and my humble pranams to great scholars and my pranams to all the members who are here. Vidvat Talajaha, Sarvebhyaha api pranamaha. The topic on which I am going to present my thoughts is Nada and Sangeeta Ratnakara. But I don't confine to Sangeeta Ratnakara only. Main content is from Sangeeta Ratnakara, and I will take the help of other texts also to elucidate about the preliminaries of Nada. Actually, Sarvam Nadamayam Jagat. This is how it is explained in everywhere in the spiritual practice. But here, only the surface level views are being presented in my brief presentation on Nada. Chaitanyam Sarvabhutanam Vivrutam Jagadatmana Nada Brahma Tathanandam Advitiyam Upasmahe. This is a verse in the Sangeeta Ratnakara. Sangeeta Ratnakara, as it has been introduced by Sri Vansi Krishna Ghanapati ji, it was written by Sharangadeva, and it is one of the monumental and greatest work in the field of music. And not only a work on music, as it was explained by Vansi Krishna Ghanapati, it is a collection of many other Shastras. It is a essence of all the Shastras. And mainly it deals with Sangeeta. And here in the beginning, particularly in the second and third chapters, we can find some content about Nada, which is the root of the entire music. So, Chaitanyam Sarvabhutanam Vivrutam Jagadatmana Nada Brahma Tathanandam Advitiyam Upasmahe. So, this, with this benedictory verse, the context of nada has been started to be explained in this text. So, as explained in this shloka, nada is synonymized with the Brahma Tattva, which is the root of all the three gods, Brahma, Vishnu, and Maheshwara. Brahma is the creator, Vishnu is the sustainer, and Maheshwara is the destroyer, like this Srishti Sthiti Laya Karakaha. This is the embodiment of that Brahma Tattva from which these three gods, this trinity emerged. So, Nadopasanaya Devaha, Brahma Vishnu Maheshwaraha, Bhavantyupasita Nunam, Yasmadeti Tadatmakaha. So, yeah, this is also another verse in the Sangeeta Ratnakara, where it is explained, Nadopasanaya, if we practice the Nadopasana, what will be the result? Devaha, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwaraha, Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara, these three gods, Bhavantyupasitaha, by offering our worship to Nada, it will be the worship of these three gods. Nunam Yasmad, Yete Tadatmakaha, these three are Nadarupinaha. Because these are the very embodiment of that Nada. That's why by worshipping Nada, it will be the worship of these three gods, they say. And now, when we enter the subject, the word Nada is defined in many ways, particularly in some ancient texts on music. They explain, Anatehe prananarthasya dahatehe dahakarmanah sanyogadadya siktescha bijairesha virmitaha. So, anatihi, anati is one verb which is related to prana, taking the breaths, and dahatehe dahakarmanah, dahadhatu, which represents the burning aspect, and this is from anati, the syllable na is taken, and from dahati, da is taken. The combination of this na and da produce this word nada. And sanyoga adyasaktescha bijairesha virmitaha. So adyasakteh, from the adishakti, this nada is emerged according to the source. Bhasmasat praninam papam kurvan sanjeevan chatan shaktya samsadhayanarthan nadyaityabhidiyate. So, as explained here, this nada, bhasmasat praninam papam kurvan. All the accumulated, long accumulated sins, which have been accumulated through many previous births, all those sins will be destroyed by offering this Nadopasana, by following the Nadopasana marga. Dahatehe dahak, then Sanjeevayam chatan. So, the people will be enlivened as the embodiment of jnana through this Nadopasana when this papa is destroyed. And Nadova nadate dhato huishyate shabdakarmanaha. So, this nada is derived from the word, the verb nadati. Like this, it is explained. Now,